Welcome to our complete guide on running Windows games on your Mac in 2025. First, let's explore the compatibility of the latest M1 and M2 chips with popular Windows games. Are they up for the challenge? Next up is Wine, a remarkable tool that allows you to run Windows applications on your Mac. How does it hold up for gaming? Virtual machines like Parallels Desktop and VMware Fusion provide another route. Let's see how they compare for gaming performance. Is Boot Camp still a viable option in 2025 for serious gamers? Let's find out. Game streaming services like NVIDIA GeForce Now are changing the game. How do they enhance your gaming experience on Mac? With cross-platform play becoming more common, let's understand how well it works between Windows and Mac systems. Now, let's discuss best practices for optimizing your gaming performance on a Mac for the best experience. Running into issues? Don't worry. We'll cover some common problems and their solutions to keep your games running smoothly. To wrap things up, we've covered various options for running Windows games on Mac and what's on the horizon for the future.